Hi, this is Pallavi Goyal live from ET Retail, the Fashion XP Summit in Bangalore, and I'm joined by Zorain from Zorain Studio. Hi, Zorain, thank you so much for joining us.
Hi,
How are you feeling?
Pallavi. It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you.
Zorain, I'm going to dive right into the brand itself. You have a 30 years of legacy. Talk to us about the brand, what kind of offering you bring to the table.
So, Pallavi, Zorain Studio over the decades has actually brought beauty into everybody's life with a little bit of that little, liner, lashes, anything that you'd say that would enhance someone's beauty. And Zorain Studio is what we would look at. So, over the years, we started off with humble beginnings with makeup and just these makeup, hair, what was the run of the mill. But now with the industry growing, we have grown into, specializations like lash, nails, and so on and so forth, PMU being the latest. We do a three-prong approach where we train, we do services, and we also provide retail product for the students and customers alike.
Excellent. And you're a grooming partner officially, Talk to us a little about the trends and, the lifestyle trends, the consumer trends you're seeing really taking up shape and growing in the fashion retail space.
So, trends are such a dynamic topic to talk about because what happens is there will always be a neutral skin trend, there will always be a colorful trend, and there will be something very graphic and dynamic. Trends would always evolve, and I think very inspired by retail. We adapt our trend right now, being very minimalistic, very all about skin, and let the brand and let the overall talk about the personality of a person, but also has hints of color with a little bit of glamour sometimes added in.
Excellent. And, you're a brand that comes with 3 decades of experience and legacy. The theme of our conference here is Gen Zs. Talk to us about what's next for you guys. How are you adapting to service the next generation?
So, if you look at it, we've always been a brand with the what and why. So, we've been very technically driven, and I think that really resonates with Gen Z because Gen Z always wants to know why. So, if they understand the why behind what they're doing, they really love it. And also, knowing them, attention span being small, now everything's getting more, semi-permanent. So be it lashes, be it nails, they want to look their best at any given point of time. And that comes with a little bit of longevity so that they don't have to keep running back. So I think semi-permanent is the next trend for our Gen Z in beauty.
Excellent. No, I completely agree. That is a trend that we see a lot of consumers also talking about. So, looking forward to the launches also on that front. One last question. How are you feeling at the summit?
This summit has been a fabulous experience. It is day one, and I see such a confluence of, fashion, retail, everything coming together on one platform. Amazing brains behind the entire industry to come and inspire the rest. And I think it's fabulous to have events like this in Bangalore because it just, takes us to the next level and brings us onto the map. And Economic Times has always done that for us. So thank you. We're really looking forward. I've got to meet some people. We're looking forward to franchising our company. So, there's so much happening around, and it's really inspiring for us to be a part of this.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for joining us today and look forward to meeting you again at our upcoming conferences. Thank you.
As always, a pleasure.
For more such insights, stay tuned at ET Retail.